If you don't sleep well, this may be a sign of vision problems. Our brain receives a lot of information during the day. It receives 95% of visual information. The brain receives it through the eyes, and at night it processes this information. Vision is the basis of our thinking. We speak or read and transform information into visual images. If we remember a specific image, it will be a memory. For the brain to work normally during the day, you need to receive a sufficient number of visual images. If the visual system doesn't work well during the day or poor quality work, then you have problems falling asleep. You can certainly tire your body during the day. You can go to the gym to get tired and you will fall asleep. It will be overworking but physical. But no need to go to the gym before going to bed and overload the psyche or overwork the eyes when you are already in a bed and about to sleep. This should be done during the day, not before bed. The main sensory channel in a modern person, city person, is the visual system. If you haven't received enough visual info during the day, then there is not enough information in the brain. He can still work, he has a resource, and he is not ready to turn off and sleep. So you are forced to think about something or to imagine something, and from this we cannot fall asleep. We do something, we fill up a set of visual images, and then we fall asleep. What is poor vision? This is a narrow visual field or view. In most cases, our eyes collect visual information and the brain processes so that we can perform better, faster and more efficiently. By wearing glasses, a person narrows the visual field even more. The spasm of accommodation hasn't been removed in any way with spectacles, which means that it's begin to increase even more. Vision deteriorates and the situation can only worsen. How to fall asleep better with eye exercises? First, it is imperative that if you start to fall asleep badly, even if it's temporary, sometimes this happens, you just need to activate your eyesight during the day. You can do simple exercises for the eyes, myopia treatment exercises or astigmatism treatment. There is a video on my channel, or if you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course, Eyesight Academy, to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia. The online program consists of 8 modules, starting from mindset, recognizing bad habits of poor eyesight and eliminating them, and includes the best possible daily eye exercises from beginner to advanced level. Don't miss the discount, the link will be in the description below. Second, expand the visual field to look at the windows or houses and look at the trees to make vision active. Just check if you have a bed falling asleep. Take a walk and look around. Don't think about your thoughts. Eye exercises to improve eye health. First, for example, you see 2 cars in your parking lot. Find 5 differences among them. How they differ, look, and the eyes will start working. Second, you saw a tree and circled its outline. Not just look at it, but you need to activate the visual fields and circle its contour and think about what the outline look like. What kind of shape it look like. Such simple visual tricks can increase your visual activity and increase blood flow in your eyes. Because a modern person doesn't look anywhere around, he's immersed in his thoughts, and the result of this is poor sleep. What to do to fall asleep? First, before going to bed, it is advisable to think about something pleasant, to take a contrast shower so that the blood flow to the head goes normally. Second, it's desirable to open a window of the room to increase oxygen, because the brain and eyes are very sensitive to oxygen. There may be a lack of oxygen, and because of this, it doesn't function normally. Third, turn on meditation to relax the muscle of the face so that you can sleep better and the recovery of tired eyes will be much better.